Hi guys, today is March 20th, 2020. Futures are pointing up, and yesterday was a rebound day on Wall Street, and today it's following up with another green open, but we'll see what happens because the whole day ahead of us and things may change. Okay, so let's jump into S&P 500 right away. Stock symbol SPY ETF. I told you yesterday that I'm watching this 2018 the level that was set in 2018, $234, and that level was penetrated several times in the last couple of days, but it jumped right back. So that's an encouraging sign, I told you. And I also told you that VIX was only slightly up yesterday and the day before yesterday, and VVIX, which is the volatility of the volatility, which measures the volatility, is was actually down a day before yesterday. So I thought it was a pretty good sign that we have some kind of a tradable bottom. Okay, so right now we're going higher, but we'll see what happens. Who knows? It's all depending on the information that's coming in. Okay, so let's jump into corporate news. Tesla said that they're closing two of their plants in California and New York, but they also said that they have enough cash to withstand this slowdown or to withstand these closings. And also Loop Capital analyst Gene Monster, I think, said that they very well positioned to be to withstand this coronavirus outbreak, and also they said that he thinks that demand continues to be high. So Tesla is trading a little bit higher, and in general, I like Tesla, and I think on any sell-off, I would buy Tesla shares, especially under $400. It's like a steal to me. Other car manufacturers, actually, NIO reported earnings. It didn't report today, but it reported a couple of days ago. I didn't mention them. Did not report particularly good numbers, and also didn't provide very good guidance. Actually, pretty much half of the guidance that the analysts expected. And NIO shares took a hit yesterday, a big hit, like down 18%, and now they're trading a little bit higher. I'm not sure if this is a buy or not, because I have to dig into the numbers and understand what's going on with their cash on their balance sheet. What's happening with if they can survive this, because they reported 57.7 million on their balance sheet in cash, down from 274 million, and I'm not sure if those numbers include the sale of convertible notes they have announced recently. So let's see, I have to dig into the numbers to understand if this is a buy or sell. So just a question mark at this point. Okay, other car manufacturers like Ford and GM, they have featured, they have actually pledged the support and said that they may change their production lines to produce ventilators. GM as well. Okay, so it's all shoes. I mean, they're trading higher this morning because a lot of companies are trading higher, but I'm not sure if I want to be in Ford or GM, but I do like Tesla out of those companies. GM I like more than Ford. They're more leveraged and they're more open-minded, but in general, Tesla is my choice, is my pick among the automakers. Okay, so Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Inovio Pharmaceuticals, I mean, yesterday all the coronavirus handling stocks took a hit yesterday after Dr. Fauci from the coronavirus handling task from the White House said that the first vaccine will be available like a year from now. So all these stocks took a hit yesterday. And but Inovio's Kate Broderick is a chief scientist that handles their COVID-19 vaccine, is going to be featured on 60 Minutes this weekend. And that's pretty good news because I think it's going to be a positive for a stock. So under $7, I think it's a really good buy. So if it comes down to under $7, I think I might buy more stock of Inovio, symbol INO. Okay, so Moderna as well. Moderna took a hit yesterday. It was a good time to add on some shares of Moderna, symbol mRNA, because I think they actually started clinical trials this week, and I think they may go higher. As soon as they report some kind of a positive news, this stock will go a lot higher. So Vir also Biotechnology, Vir Biotechnology was downgraded actually yesterday by Goldman, I believe, or by JP Morgan yesterday. So with the price target of 26, I'm not sure if I want to buy Vir in 40s actually. My price for Vir is closer to $30. Vir Biotechnology. I also want to mention some companies that produce diagnostic kits, symbol BMRA. Okay, Biomerica. Okay, this company jumped like to first 300%. So you can see this move 300% and then 55% the next day. So they said that they're shipping sample of its COVID-19 test. It's a finger prick test that was the results in 10 minutes. But it's opening a lot lower today, and I don't know if I want to buy this stock at over $10 because I think this is too expensive to me. Another stock that I'm watching that produces kits is RQND. Okay, RQND, RAND Capital. They also said that they are they will be launching the testing kit, and the stock is higher, I don't know, like 114% this morning. I don't like to buy these companies that jump that much at the open. I want to see how it trades, and this is guys, this is not long-term buy and hold companies. This is just trading, swing trade companies that you may quickly realize some gains, but don't get in too much because this is just a quick buy and sell company, pretty much, in my opinion. RQND. The same one is GNMK. Okay, GenMark Diagnostics also received the FDA approval for the emergency use of its test, pretty much for their coronavirus test. Okay. GNMK. So some of the companies that are jumping yesterday a lot is Uber and Lyft, and they're higher this morning as well. So these companies jumped like, I don't know, a lot. I don't remember the percentage, but they jumped a lot after Uber CEO said that they have enough cash on their balance sheet to withstand this slowdown and sell-off. But I don't know if I want to buy Uber and Lyft at this point. I mean, yes, they're jumping, yes, they're higher, but I'd like to wait. That there are a lot better companies to buy, in my opinion, than Uber and Lyft for a long hold, especially in this time of uncertainty. GES. Okay, GES also jumped a lot yesterday and is jumping again this morning, and after reporting pretty good numbers, not sure if I want to buy GES here. There are better companies to buy, but I just want to mention this. GES. Play also the same thing. Play Dave & Buster's Entertainment. They're also jumping a lot, and after reporting the numbers that are not as bad, so they're higher. But again, I don't know if I want to own Play at this moment. I want to see what happens. However, a play is not a bad play. In my opinion, maybe a small position is warranted. Okay, so CrowdStrike is the cybersecurity software company. That company is jumping higher after reporting pretty good quarter, providing very good guidance, and this company is a really good company long term to hold. CrowdStrike, CRWD. Okay, that's a pretty good company to hold. Tiffany, I'm not sure about Tiffany because yes, they provided not so good earnings. I mean, they matched the estimates as far as I know, but they're being acquired by LVMH. It's another company that's trying to acquire Tiffany at $134 as far as I know, or $135 as far as I know, since November. But shares are trading lower. Considering that Tiffany is being acquired, maybe it's not a bad play in Tiffany, TIF. Okay, so Nike was upgraded this morning. Nike is a pretty good buy in my opinion. Walmart said that they will hire 150,000 more workers to handle their expansion pretty much, and to handle this on a slot of customers that they're cleaning their shelves at this point. So it's pretty high to me. I'm not sure if I want to buy Walmart this high. Okay, so LULU was upgraded this morning, and this company is higher, but again, don't know if I want to buy LULU in this environment. But the companies I do want to buy is Microsoft. Microsoft has exactly the cocktail of things that really good for this environment. Okay, so they have Skype, they have Microsoft Teams, they have cloud. It's an excellent company to be in this environment. Just an excellent, probably my favorite tech company at this point. Also AMD and Intel. These three companies I love to buy on any pullback. Okay guys, that's the wrap for the day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and I'll see you Monday.